Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a moving text in CapCut PC. So I've already added a video and I'm going to just start by adding the text in the video. Click on the plus icon and then here I'm going to just add text in here. Then I'm going to place the text first in here. And then after that, I'm going to go to the bottom here at the position and size. So first you need to just move forward a bit. Okay, I'm going to add a keyframe first at the beginning of the text and then add them like this, and then I'm going to move it in here and another keyframe will be added, so I'm going to adjust it like this first and then I'm going to move forward again. So I'm going to make the text following the head like this and then move forward again. Okay, like that, and then here let's see the result. So you see the text is moving. I'm going to just play it. The text is moving along with the head. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can add a moving text in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, click on the thanks below, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!